Hey, what's up guys? Just wanted to show you something that I recently picked up at the store. I normally wash my face with, I'll take like eye makeup remover pads or baby oil or some kind of eye makeup remover in a cotton ball, and I'll usually remove my eye makeup, and then I'll normally use like a face wash to take off the rest of my makeup. But I am going away and I wanted to bring something. It's hard to bring like face wash with you, like my big face wash bottle, because I'm just afraid that, you know, I have to put it in my check bag and then I'm worried that it might leak or whatever. So I was looking for something I could bring that is just going to be easy and I know it isn't going to leak, and just kind of have something I could like throw in my purse if I need to, like just remove my makeup and can't get to the hotel or something. I just wanted something real easy to carry around. So I found these Global Beauty Care Collagen Makeup Cleansing Wipes. They are super easy to use. They come with 30 wipes in a container, but they also have 60. They have like another pack with like a 60 wipe, and I also saw like this one has like a little, it's just like a plastic flap. I think I saw one that had like a harder plastic that like you could hear it click when it closes. So I think that one might be better actually to hold in the moisture from the wipes, because I feel like these are great, but like I just feel like some of the, I feel like they're not as wet as they were like when I first opened the pack, if that makes sense. I feel like maybe some of the moisture left just from me maybe not closing it properly. These were really awesome. I mean, I really don't use these to take off like my full makeup on my face, just because I feel like makeup, I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I feel like makeup remover wipes don't always remove all your facial makeup. And I put a little bit like on my face, and like foundation on my face and then on my neck, and I just feel like usually I use one of these to just take off my eye makeup and then use some kind of face wash to take off the rest. But since I'm away, I don't know if I could bring a face wash with me. I'm going to be bringing these. I used them last night. They took all my waterproof eye makeup off, which was great. I had a waterproof eyeliner and mascara on. It took both off. So let's see. There's directions on the back to use: remove towelette, unfold towelette, and wipe over face, neck, and eye area. Reseal label to maintain freshness. Global Beauty Care Collagen Makeup Cleansing Wipes are designed to effectively and conveniently remove dirt, oil, and skin impurities from your eyes, face, and neck area. The Collagen and Vitamin A formula embedded in our facial wipes helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while revealing healthy looking skin. So I have to say, after using these wipes, like it really did make my face feel softer and smoother, and I just really like them overall. So ingredients: Aqua, Propylene Glycol, I have a bunch of other ingredients in there, right? Vitamin A. Distributed by Global Beauty Care in Brooklyn. They have a website, made in China. I did see on here somewhere that right here, pH balanced, hypoallergenic, and not tested on animals, which I thought was really great. Of course, I try to buy products that are not tested on animals if I can. So they just come in like a super convenient pack, which I love about them. And they're just like regular white wipes. You guys could see they're just like, it looks like a baby wipe. It's the same size as a baby wipe. You can see the consistency, nice and soft, a little thick. I do feel like some of the moisture is going out, so just make sure you seal it up really tight, because once that moisture comes out, it kind of like defeats the purpose and it's harder to get your makeup off that way. So just make sure you're resealing them. You know what, since this is open and when I go away, I'll probably put it in a plastic bag just to really seal in some of that moisture. But I was really happy with it. I couldn't believe that it took off all my waterproof makeup, because even sometimes my own eye makeup remover that I purchased will give me a little bit of a hard time, and then I kind of have to rub like a little bit harder to take it off. So these are really awesome. It'll remove all your makeup, but for me, since I use foundation, and then I use powder makeup, blush, and I'm using all these kind of things, that's why I think it might be harder on my end to remove all my makeup with just one towelette. But of course you could use the front and the back, so there's plenty of room to take off all your makeup. Super convenient pack, as you guys could see. So I hope you guys found this video useful. I hope you'll try out Global Beauty Care Collagen Makeup Cleansing Wipes. I'm sure they will work just as good for you as they did for me. And I hope you found the video useful. I'll see you later, guys.